So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aizabaya binti Besar. My matric card number is S5C512. So, today I would like to present on my individual assignment about financial statement analysis. From the detail given, I choose constructions industry for companies NGB Berhad and Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad for year 2020. And the analysis I choose is liquidity for analysis financial statement. So the history or background of the companies for Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad. Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad was founded by Tan Sri Datuk Yap Suen. The group got its start after being involved in the construction sector since May 1994 through the foundings of Pembinaan Keri Sendian Berhad. Tan Sri Datuk Yap expanded the group's operations from general contracting to specialized construction management. Melati Ehsan is involved in Turkey constructions with specializations in construction management. We provide a complete solutions for a construction project from inception to completion through careful planning, design, engineering, procurement, and constructions within specific financials and time constraints, which often includes a financing components. For NGB Berhad, NGB Berhad stands for Malaysian Generations Builder. NGB Berhad, through its subsidiary, is a comprehensive and full integrated constructions and developments company providing a full range of design and constructions, also development service including design and buildings, project management, civil engineering, value engineering, geotechnical specializations, and manufacturing industrialized building system (IBS), precast concrete product. NGB Group is an established constructions for more than 10 years. NGB Constructions and Engineering Sendian Berhad, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, sourced external talent and underwent an integrations of its internal technical design resources in early 2010 to broaden its abilities into design and buildings. So for current ratio, the formula is total current asset divided by total current liability. For NGB Berhad, the total current asset is 555,663,457. So the total current liability is 449,133,841. The answer is 1.24. So we choose the group 2020 and for the current liability 2022. For Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad, the total current asset is 305,833,817 divided total current liability 172,854,617 equal 1.77 times. So from the annual report, we choose group to calculate the current liability and current asset. We choose 2020. So the conclusion for Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad has a better current ratio as compared to company NGB Berhad. A higher current ratio is always more favorable than a lower current ratio because it shows the company can more easily make current debt payments. It helps investor and creditor understand that how easily that company will be able to pay off its current liability. It also gives an explanation on the overall debt burden of the companies. For quick ratio, the formula is current asset minus inventory minus prepaid items divided by current liability. So for NGB Berhad, the total current asset is 555,663,457 minus 107,60594 divided by total current liability 449,133,841 equal 1.21. So we choose the group for total current assets and the total current liability. For Melati Ehsan Holdings, total current asset 305,833,817 minus inventory 461,128,701 divided by total current liability 172,854,617 equal 1.50 times. This is the annual report for Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad. So the conclusions for quick ratio is measure the ability of a company to pay its current liability when they come due with only quick asset. It shows how well a company can quickly convert its asset into cash in order to pay off its current liability. Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad has a better quick ratio as compared to company NGB Berhad because it shows there are more quick asset than current liability. A company with a quick ratio of 1 indicates that quick ratio equal current asset. This also shows that the both companies could pay off its current liability without selling any long-term asset. This is a good sign for investor, but an even better sign to creditor because creditor want to know they will be paid back on time. Account receivable turnover. The formula is net sale divide average net account receivable. So for NGB Berhad, net sale is 563,274,102 divided by average net account receivable. So how to calculate the average net account receivable? So for annual report, we choose 2020 and 2019. Trade receivable plus other receivables. So the total is 753,13,000 equal 7.48 times. For Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad, the net sale is 254,000,143 divided by average net account receivable. For Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad, we calculate the average net account receivable from 2019 and 20. So the total is 231,923,229 equal 1.10 times. So the conclusion is the account receivable turnover ratio is an efficiency ratio and is an indicator of a company financials and operational performance. MGB Berhad has a better quick ratio as compared to company Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad because it indicates that the company's collections of account receivable is frequent and efficient. Also indicates that the company enjoys a high quality customer base that is able to pay their debt quickly. On the other hand, a low account receivable turnover ratio suggests that the company's collections process is poor. For inventory turnover, the formula is COGS divided by average inventory. For NGB Berhad, the COGS is 487,010,259 divided by average inventory. So how to calculate the average inventory? For NGB Berhad, we choose 2019 and 2020. Then we divide by 2. So the total is 15233,957. So the answer for NGB Berhad inventory turnover is 31.97 times. For Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad, the COGS is 236,586,421 divided by average inventory. So we choose inventory from 2020 and 2019, then we divide by 2. So the answer is 384,531.59. So the answers inventory turnover for Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad is 6.15 times. The conclusion is the inventory turnover ratio is an efficiency ratio that measures how efficiently inventory is managed and can be used to determine if there are excessive inventory level compared to sales. By comparing the inventory turnover ratio between NGB Berhad and Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad, two companies that operate mainly in the construction industry, we can see that NGB Berhad sell its inventory 31.97 over a period of 1 year compared to Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad 6.15. It implies that NGB Berhad can more efficiently sell the inventory it buys. In addition, it may show that NGB Berhad is not overspending on inventory purchase and is not incurring high storage and holding costs compared to Melati Ehsan Holding Berhad. It is vital to compare that ratio between companies operating in the same industry and not for companies operating in different industry. So that's all from me. Thank you.